Hi, Ihab, how are you?
Fine, and you, thanks for your question. Thanks, Mrs.
Alhamdulillah. You are late? You are late, Ihab, because our lecture is at 6, not 6:30, right?
Just a second, please. Can you repeat, please? Sorry.
I'm asking you about the reason behind you are late.
Yes.
So why are you late?
Because I was trying to join this meet, but cannot.
Okay.
But couldn't. Sorry. But couldn't. Sorry.
Okay. So are you ready to present?
Yes, I'm ready. No problem. I'm ready, Mrs.
Okay.
But my fears. You can show me of you from your laptop.
Okay, so I will share the screen for you because you cannot share the screen, right?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Okay. What's your topic, Ihab?
Migration that gave us in the test.
So how much time you need? I see here that you have only 2 slides.
كفاءة ضعيفة جدا هي تعتبر.
You have only
Yes,
two slides. Why?
16 و18 المولد الثاني كفاءته
it
من
has
13 ل 20 صار تقريبا حوالي
it has
22
almost
بالنسبه للكفاءه.
200 words.
المولد الثاني شو
Okay, this is not
بنمتاز
not like to write a piece of paper, you know, because presentation is just to have like keywords in each slide, and you need just to show the keywords, you know, keywords الكلمات الرئيسة, and
Okay.
you need to explain, not only to read.
Actually, I didn't think today we have a lecture.
So why? Because
Right.
it's normal
Yes,
to
sorry.
have lecture on Sunday, right?
Yes, sorry. But but my works يعني
Okay, no problem. I will share the screen. Okay, how much time you need?
maybe I need 15
15
minutes.
minutes. Okay, so is it clear right now? Can you see my screen?
Yes, clear
Okay,
now. Yes, thank you.
great. Go ahead, please.
Peace be upon you. How are you all? How are you, my students, dear students? We have today this topic. Today's topic about migration. Migration, it has many things about everyone. Yes, is there any question until now? Are you here? Yes, I'll start now. I'll start now reading. Travel is considered one of the most important sources of earning a living. Many people have traveled to look for work over the past days, years, uh, and sorry, years and 7 today. In ancient as well as modern societies, there are three matters related to people regarding travel or immigration. Okay, is there any question? Yes, I will continue. First, traveling is migration in search of work. In this case, uh, headed of various academic
24
degrees
سيستم فولتاج
migrate
24
if
اذا
they
هذا
do
نظام
not
12
have
ونظام 24
a
في انفرترات
vacancy
عندك سيستم فولتاج تجي نظام
a job
48. طيب بدنا نرجع
available in
انه هذا
their
الجهاز انا شو
country.
اشتغل معه في نظام
Let
12.
us or let's
عم يقول لك ماكس سولار فولتاج 40 فولت دي سي.
let's not forget the various benefits that this group of immigrants offers to the country to which they are immigrating do the or to the great degree skills and experience they possesses. As for a country that has lost immigrants, it has lost an important group and segment in society because of its scientist or scientific status. For example, doctors, engineers, and teachers. As a result, searching for money has become necessary and an important priority in anyone's life. Okay. I'll read the last paragraph now. Then also travel is a migration from disasters that have befallen a country. In this type, a large number of people travel and migrate to neighboring country on their borders or to another country. Then there is also travel as an immigrant to study and obtain education. In this type, it's sometimes of benefit to the country sending those or these immigrants. For example, the lake of the especially or field in which one would like to study or uh, or or experience or skill. Of course, all of these types of migration are areas on for the expansion of brain. Okay, or of brain or the shortage of the most important resource in any country. Finally, despite the presence of a large number of immigrants, they found a number of them who didn't want to study in the country they had immigrated to because of the relationships and things they had in their home country. That's all for this paragraph today. Thank you so much. Is there any question, dear students or dear parents? Thank you, Mrs.
Okay, thank you, Ahab. I see this is like an essay, but the form is not correct. Okay. I don't know, when I told you about to write in a form of presentation, like in a PowerPoint, I need to see some words in each slide, like to have only, for example, 10 words, 15 words in each slide, not paragraphs as you doing here. Okay, you are having like in each slide, for example, a paragraph, a whole paragraph. And this is not presentation, because you are just reading your essay, and I see a lot of mistakes concerning the spelling. Okay, you have a lot of mistakes, for example, because it's not correct. For example, skill. For example, I don't know why. I think you didn't check the grammar mistakes or the spelling mistakes. Okay.
Yes, Mrs. But I send you this file for check this. To
Okay,
check that.
this is not assignment in order to be checked by
Yes.
by me.
Yes.
Okay, because I
Yes.
ask you to write or to prepare a presentation in a PowerPoint, not in order to send me to get my correction, for example, because this is not assignment, you know. So this is practical side you need to do in your side. Okay, so the thing that you are talking about, I think you are talking about causes of traveling. Am I right or not? Are you talking about the causes of travel?
Yes.
Okay, so for example, we have,
Yes.
for example, I need to see, for example, okay, I don't know why it stopped. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes, I can.
Okay, for example, I need to see in each slide, okay, for example, just a few words. For example, a few words. For example, you are talking here about causes of traveling, right? I don't know why. Okay, causes of traveling. Okay, you can just put, for example, like this is called bullet, like to put in a list, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. For example, looking for job. For example, looking for work, studying. Okay, for example, entertainment. Okay, those are keywords. Okay, I need to see in each slide like this, just keywords like the title or headlines that you are going to talk about. For example, you will go with the first cause, which is looking for work. For example, your your role is what? Is to talk about or explain why people, for example, travel because of this reason. For example, they are looking for work, they travel abroad for this reason. You need to explain. You need to have, for example, some examples, some, for example, some clarification of the point. So you need to talk about this reason, which is the first one. Then you will go with the second one, which is you mentioned here in this slide, for example, just 1 or 2 words, just keywords. that just the headlines, and you have to explain this cause by your own, okay, on your own. You need to explain, you need to make it interactive, you need to ask your colleagues. This is the presentation. I didn't ask you to write, for example, an essay in a form of PowerPoint, right? If I ask you to write an essay, I will ask you to, for example, to send it to me in a form of Word or PDF. Okay, this is something different, which is to write an essay as an assignment, while I asked you to write or to prepare a presentation, okay, and to make it in PowerPoint in order to show it to your colleagues while you are explaining, while you are talking about your topic. Okay, this is the point. You got me, Ihab? Ihab,
Inshallah, Mrs.
can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can. I answered you. Inshallah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Ihab. Okay, I think we have today, beside Ihab, we have some students. They are supposed to present today, but they unfortunately will lose the mark. We have Asala, Basil, Shabo, and Mason. They didn't join till now, despite we are in this class, I think
Basil said
50
in
minutes
our
ago,
group
so they are so late. Sorry,
he
sorry.
cannot join. Basil said.
Basil, did he
I
write something?
saw in our
Basil,
group
I
Basil
think
said
Basil is asking for to present on Monday or Tuesday. We are not having composition skill lecture on Monday or Tuesday because I have other other classes on these days. Okay, so this is not possible. Okay, thank you so much, Ihab. And I have to finish the lecture till now because no other student joined till now in order to present today. So thank you so much for your attendance, and see you inshallah next lecture. Goodbye.
Inshallah. Thank you. Goodbye.